All right, so why should I give him 5 years? Because the complainant in this case is the same complainant that he has the new case on.
He walked into the courtroom expecting a simple formality, a plea deal for 5 years. Confident, even relieved, he thought the outcome was already set. This is Juan Carlos Agiri Jr., a man admitting guilt to assaulting his partner. The prosecution signed off. His defense attorney called it a win. Everyone believed the deal was sealed. But they missed one critical detail, a devastating piece of his past buried in the file. Until the judge uncovered it.in that moment, everything changed. The agreement unraveled, and the sentence took a turn no one saw coming. Because in this courtroom, a plea deal is only a suggestion. The real verdict belongs to the judge.
Court is calling 2025 CR 01152. Could I have parties announce?
Your Honor, there's also the MTR.
Yeah, I'm going to take this up first.
Can we do the MTR first?
Why are we doing the MTR first?
For purposes of the plea on the waiver and this, they're going to be running concurrently at sentences.
I can still say it's running concurrently.
Okay, all
All
right.
right.
Sorry, Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Donald Wilson for the defense.
And are you Mr. Agiri?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery.
Yes, I have.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Agiri, did you review the waiver of indictment, reading of information, and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, your attorney has certain rights. He has the right to have the passage of 2 days upon the presentation of the information, and he has the right of 10 days to prepare for trial, and you have a right to have a grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether there is sufficient evidence to hold you over for trial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering into a plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information, and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review the felony information with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you're waiving the reading,
Yes, we are.
state, and you're proceeding as the information is presented.
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Mr. Agiri, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
By information, you're charged with assault family household member with a previous conviction. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
You've seen this whole "do you understand" routine from a judge, right? It's not just legal jargon. It's the court locking every door behind him. Each question makes sure he can't come back later claiming confusion. Can't say he didn't know he was waiving his right to a jury trial. It's the judge stamping all sales final on his deal. And every yes he gives is another nail sealing the coffin of any last-ditch appeal he thinks might save him.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Agiri, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, you can be deported, not allowed re-entry, and denied naturalization?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state will take in consideration 2025 AL 006681 and 2025 PF 31338. And this will run concurrent with
I have the case number.
2020 CR 12202. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
He thinks that 5-year plea deal is locked in. Naive, right? The bargain his lawyer struck with the prosecutor is worth about as much as a campaign promise, just a suggestion, nothing more than a handshake. Because in this courtroom, there's only one person with real power, the judge, and she couldn't care less about their little agreement.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
There is, with the exception of, I had put restitution, should there be any, I know that he would be entitled to restitution here.
All right, it's gonna be restitution if any. Let me just tell you, if they're sending you to prison and your counsel is waiving a PSI, then whatever that restitution amount that that person claims, that's gonna be the restitution amount. And when you're up for parole, they'll take it up with parole. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, restitution, if any, to Anessa Nicole Guerra. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that I'm sorry, not appeal. Did you review the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state orders into evidence. It's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants? I'm sorry, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, was kind of a tough decision for Mr. Agiri to come to, but he thinks it's in his best interest, and he would ask the court to go along with the plea bargain that it's taken us quite some time to negotiate, but I think he wants to get this behind him. It's unfortunate that we've ended up here, but I think he is ready to move on and become a productive citizen once he gets this behind him.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Anessa Nicole Guerra. There's a $1,500 fine. State is taking in consideration 2025 AL 006681, 2025 PF 31338. And this will run concurrent with 2020 CR 12202. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, ma'am.
No, Your Honor.
Just whenever we're finished with this and the MTR, we have the victim present who wishes to do a victim impact statement.
Okay. All right, we're proceeding with 2020 CR 12202. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Juan Carlos Agiri Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 12202
Yes.
for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on March 3rd, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is where everything goes completely off the rails. The new assault charge is bad enough, but here's the real bombshell. He was already on probation for attacking the same woman. Admitting to that violation? It's like getting caught red-handed at a crime you swore you'd never commit again. It handed the judge every piece of ammunition she needed to tear his deal apart.